Yes, and start. Several passengers were injured and one died too, namely Urmila Chugh, when the Haryana Roadways bus HRE 1916 they were travelling in turned turtle in an accident with the truck HRK 5335 coming from the opposite direction stop. This happened on November 12, 1974 on the Karnal bypass stop. It was the finding of the tribunal that the negligence here was wholly that of the truck driver stop. A sum of rupees 14,400 was awarded as compensation to the claimants, they being the husband and two minor children of Urmila Chugh, deceased. Stop. The claim in appeal now is for enhanced compensation. Pehra. Urmila Chugh was 29 years of age at the time of her death. Stop. She was a qualified teacher and had been teaching before her marriage, and evidence was led to show that she had been taking tuitions thereafter, and her earnings from this source were to the tune of about rupees 450 per month. Stop. This was, however, not accepted by the tribunal. Stop. There can at any rate no manner of doubt that the deceased was a qualified teacher and was thus capable of working and earning as such. Stop. Besides this, it is now well settled that the services that a housewife provides for the household, even though rendered gratuitously, do indeed have a monetary value in respect of which compensation is payable, particularly to the beneficiaries of such services, which would include the husband and the children. Stop. Included there is the loss of the wife's contribution to the household from her earnings, the additional expenses incurred or likely to be incurred by having the household run by a housekeeper or servant instead of the wife, the expenses of buying clothes for the children instead of having them made by the wife, and the similarly having his own clothes mended or stitched elsewhere than by his wife, and the loss of that element of security provided to the husband where his employment was insecure or his death or his health was bad, and where the wife could go out and work for a living. Stop. Pehra. It is also pertinent to bear in mind that there is no retirement age for a housewife. Stop. She works in the house for as long as she is physically capable of doing so. Stop. Considered in this light, it is to be assumed that the deceased would have continued to provide such services to her husband and children for every many years to come. Stop. Her young age as also that of the claimants here must also reflect upon the quantum of compensation payable to them. Stop.